Presenting the 2002 BMW X5 3.0i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features: vehicle anti-theft system, power driver mirror, 4-wheel ABS, rear reading lamps, electronic stability control, second row bench seat, straight 6-cylinder engine, pass-through rear seat, and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.